Yeah.
Oh. What the hell?
Was that chocolate? I thought you were opening a car part or something important. Welcome back to the channel, everybody, and today we've got another fix and repair. We have a Yaris, which is in very good condition, you know. See it, nice and shiny, but we're gonna have a wee look underneath and see what's went wrong with it. So I hope you enjoy it, and if you like and subscribe, it's a very big help. Thank you.
Have you got academic guns?
Yes.
You got academic guns.
You know, the best thing about this car is they've left me a full tank of fuel. So that's getting taken out for the BM. So on the MOT, because it's an MOT fail, it says it needs the ball joint and the drop links. So I've got them, but it also says there's something else wrong, so we're about to go and have a look to see how sad it is. So on a level of 1 to 5 on misery, I'm going to say this is a solid 6. So that's what we're going to need to weld there. So cut out, get some clean metal, plate it, and then the other side needs the same. So we're going to be cutting and welding a bit today.
Oh, the exhaust, that's amazing. Have you showed them the exhaust?
No, the fucking...
This is incredible.
The reeking...
Got a join here.
The joins.
Join there. A join here. And then onto your original.
Yep, big Frankenstein
that is
pipe.
Incredible.
Love it.
That's... Why is he not working in his garage right now?
Yeah, why?
Like,
Who ever done this job?
His help.
Like this boy's fucking, like that's a relatively new weld.
Holy
there.
fuck, look at that!
Yeah, that's a new weld. That's getting fucking done properly.
That's not even secure there, look.
No, that's getting done properly today.
Maybe. Oh!
Yeah.
Oh. What the hell? I just impregnated your Yaris.
So we're about to get the wire brush out. Ooh. Get as much as I can cleaned up on both sides, and then go from there. So have a bit of fun.
Just a little bit of oh, holy fuck. Look at that, chat.
Fuck yeah.
Like and subscribe for more
fucked cars. So yeah, that's
fucking Yaris's, bro, what the hell?
I need to somehow cut all that and weld that with the fucking brake line sitting there. But I might.
Oh shit, this is strong plate, bro. I can't even fucking bend it. Fuck. Have you got like a Sharpie or a marker or some shit like that?
Nah.
Active.
Unfortunately, I don't. These are fucking thick out there. Screwdriver or?
Flathead with a pumpkin now. Perfecto.
and take it off
So, oh, there we go. There you go, chat. What the fuck?
Love it.
So we're just trying to cut round here. And then we're gonna plate round. Well, I'm not. You are. This is your car, bro. I'm dealing with this fucking shit with just the same problems.
Absolute fucking specimen of a weld out there. That is just some.
I'm trying to get it.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the. I'll get the
go.
torch out, and it's the snottiest, loveliest weld you'll ever fucking see in life. Like,
it's insane. That's got to be a stick, isn't it?
No,
it's MIG. You can see there's MIG.
The
Wire.
wire.
This didn't have any fucking gas, or it was windy, or it was just on crack. I don't know, one of the two.
Fucking hell. I need to get that off because that's a shit weld. I'm not welding to that.
Dude, bro would watch the 10-minute YouTube video and then tried to do it. Feel it though, because
What the fuck am I then?
That's what I'm doing right now.
What am I doing?
There we go.
The 10-minute YouTube video on welding, and then you just got me.
Right.
When in doubt, get under the weld. It's Saint-like.
Dude, look at that.
Saint-like, it's holy.
Fucking hell.
Holy. Okay, well, this is gonna get a hefty redesign.
Better than factory.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know what this is for.
GG. Is the camera on? Do they see this shit?
That's a lot of welding.
That's,
Just gonna fuck it, you know what, I'm just gonna go up to here and then
really.
fucking plate, get rid of all that and plate it all into here.
I vote that we just fill it with expanding foam. Trim it, fiberglass it, get it sold.
I don't even know really what that is doing,
That
but
bracket ain't holding fucking shit.
to be honest, I don't think it is.
I'm guessing it's to stop this from opening up, so the strength is this way, not
Potentially,
up or
but then
down.
it bolted together. Yeah.
Is this just a Yaris thing, chat?
Yes, it is.
Right.
Yaris just love to rot
Fucking
here.
exhaust is absolutely hilarious. I might steal that from my van. Look at that.
The fucking whole piece.
Well,
Yeah.
chat, if this video has shown you anything, it means just don't buy a Yaris.
Yeah, don't buy Yaris.
Stay away from them. Make sure. Oh my golly fucking Jesus. At least there's clean metal up inside though.
I know, I mean, it's not as bad. That'll clean up nicely and it'll be a good weld. Like, that will turn into a nice surface to weld onto. Fucking hell. And then leave a slice out there because there's a wee gap left here. That's all this is. All that is just a cover. It's actually not a structural thing. That's a structural.
The structure be from there up.
Yeah, but that bolt is actually, that goes through that. Plate, it's gonna go in like that, and then Oops. Oh.
More weld, I think, bro.
To shake your tack off.
Bro, this shelf placement's terrible. You're gonna use one socket.
That's the plate in. So yeah, it was a big area. First time welding on a car. Got the access hole for the spanner still open at least. And then all welded up, and then I just need to get it all painted up. Yeah, first attempt, that's it. I now need to do this side, which is nowhere near as bad. So yeah, let's crack on. Now, we've kind of skipped ahead a little bit. I didn't record a wee bit, but we're on to the drop link, which I've already got 1/2 in on, and the bottom arm we're replacing, so I need to get these 2 bolts undone, and then get it out, new arm in, bolts in, and yada yada yada. So yeah, quite exciting. Very crispy car. So yeah, let's crack on. So I end up using the grinder to cut the arm off because it was so rotten. But yeah, this is gonna be easier said than done, I reckon. Getting this thing out without breaking anything. This is a very crispy Yaris. This is moving. Taz moving. It was moving. So we are all welded up. I had to put a plate in there, so that actually wasn't an open area, so I was wrong. That wasn't an open area for a spanner to get in, so both sides have been plated and welded. I now have a new exhaust as well now to go on it, because this one is, well, as we've seen, it is very crispy. And then the camera did die unfortunately, but I have got the new bottom arm and both drop links done. So let's get the exhaust done. So the issue we have is we don't have all the right parts. So Dingbro didn't send us all the right stuff, so we only have one of the bolts that we need, and then came with two of these black bolts, which are not the ones we need, but we're making it work. I'm going to tighten the handbrake now. Wish me luck. Finally, Yaris is done after quite a bit of work, so been the bane of my life so far. So we're going to go and see if it passes the MOT, and fingers crossed it does. So thanks for watching everybody, hope you enjoyed, I'll catch you next time.